Ensuring even nutrient distribution in feed could be the key to healthier, more uniform broiler flocks, but here's where it gets controversial. Small inconsistencies in how feed nutrients are distributed can significantly impact the growth, health, and processing yields of broiler chickens. Many poultry producers might not realize that the way feed travels through long distribution lines can create uneven nutrient levels, leading to unexpected performance variations among birds. Recent research conducted by scientists at Penn State University in the United States has shed light on how these subtle differences in feed quality and nutrient delivery actually influence not just growth rates, but also bone strength and meat yield. What observations sparked the investigation? John Boney, a recognized expert in poultry nutrition at Penn State's College of Agricultural Sciences, recounts, while inspecting commercial poultry houses and observing the feed pens, we notice a consistent difference in feed quality from the front of the house to the back. He explains that in many farms, feed pellets tend to break down into finer particles or dust as they travel further along the feed line. This observation led them to question, how does this physical variation in feed quality, sifting from intact pellets to dust, affect the nutritional intake of broiler chickens? Key findings on nutrient variability. Published in the upcoming December issue of the Journal of Applied Poultry Research, accessible online now, the study reveals that inconsistencies along the feed line, specifically in two critical nutrients, can influence various performance metrics in broilers, including overall growth, feed efficiency, meat production, and bone mineralization. The two main nutrients under the microscope. Amino acid density. This refers to how concentrated essential amino acids are within the feed. Since amino acids are the fundamental building blocks for proteins in muscle development, their levels must be carefully balanced. Phytase activity. This enzyme plays a vital biological role by breaking down phytate, a form of phosphorus in plants that chickens cannot easily absorb. By activating phytase, chickens can utilize phosphorus more effectively, which is essential for healthy bone development. How the study was conducted and what it discovered. Researchers fed young broilers a range of dietary formulas over more than 2 weeks, adjusting amino acid levels and phytase activity independently. To maintain precise control over enzyme levels, phytase was initially removed at the feed meal and added later, ensuring accurate dosing. Results showed that chickens receiving diets with higher amino acid density gained more weight, utilize feed more efficiently, and produce a higher proportion of breast meat. Surprisingly, variations in phytase enzyme levels did not significantly influence growth, feed conversion, or bone health. The implication? Amino acid density emerges as a powerful indicator of nutrient segregation within feed lines. When amino acid levels are uneven, chicken growth and overall health can be negatively affected. Furthermore, the study confirmed that amino acid density and phytase activity did not interact, meaning the observed effects could be confidently attributed solely to amino acid levels. Practical insights for poultry producers. According to Boney, the lesson for producers managing large poultry operations, sometimes housing up to 40,000 birds, is clear. Monitoring amino acid concentration is more reliable for assessing feed quality consistency than simply checking enzyme activity levels. Feed pellet quality and the length of feed lines can cause nutrient discrepancies, which, if unaddressed, may undermine the growth and health goals for broilers. He emphasizes, feed is carefully formulated to promote rapid growth and good health, which becomes increasingly important as the industry scales up. Minimizing nutrient segregation ensures all birds receive similar nutrition, fostering uniform growth and simplifying processing. Sending a uniform flock to the processing plant not only improves efficiency but also meets quality standards more reliably. This research was made possible through funding from the Pennsylvania Poultry Research Checkoff Program and the U.S. Department of Agriculture's National Institute of Food and Agriculture. Interested in staying ahead in poultry nutrition? Join over 26,000 subscribers who receive our updates 3 times weekly, covering all you need to know about the feed industry, trends, and innovations.